Our floor liners and floor mats are made to keep your interior clean. Now, you can return the favor with WeatherTech's TechCare FloorLiner and FloorMat cleaner. Let's take a closer look. Using a simple aim and spray applicator, the foaming cleaner quickly lifts dirt, dissolves grease, and removes oil stains from floor liners and floor mats. This American-made cleaning solution also removes scratches and scuff marks to keep your liners and mats looking like new. TechCare FloorLiner and FloorMat cleaner uses an environmentally friendly, biodegradable formula that doesn't affect the quality or finish of your WeatherTech liners or mats. Keep your liners and mats clean with WeatherTech's safe and effective TechCare FloorLiner and FloorMat cleaner.